How to fix notification on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome to this new video on how to fix. If you're also not receiving notifications from Snapchat, then in this video I'm going to show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. Now sometimes this happens to you because the notification on your Snapchat will sometimes be automatically turned off. So in this case, what you can do is tap and hold the app of Snapchat and tap on app info. If you don't have the app info option, or if you're on an iOS, you can head over to the settings of your device and search for an option which says notification. Yours could be in a different section. If you don't find it, you can also search for it on the search bar. Search for notifications and open up app notifications. Inside of this, search for Snapchat and open up this setting. Now here you want to make sure that the Snapchat notification is toggled on. You can try turning on and off a couple of times. Once that is done, you can again scroll down and make sure that general notifications are also turned on. Similarly, you can also tap on snaps and chats because this is the main notification that we need, and make sure that the snaps and chat notification is turned on. You can similarly try to turn this on and off a couple of times, and once you do that, you can head back and try to see if this fixes the issue and if you're getting any notifications of Snapchat. If you still aren't getting any notifications, the other thing that you can do is uninstall the app of Snapchat from your device. Completely uninstall it and again re-download it through the Play Store or the App Store. This process helps in clearing out bugs or glitches which may be causing that issue. Once you re-download the app, again log into your account, and before you log in, also make sure that you reboot your phones. Sometimes simple solutions like this can also work wonders for these kind of issues. So make sure that you reboot your phones also, and when you now log in, you should be able to get any notifications on your Snapchat. So that was the video. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll be soon back with more informative videos just like this. Until then, keep watching.